everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to upload and share files on Dropbox PC. So first thing is you open a Google browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in dropbox.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of Dropbox where you need to get logged in first. So click on login over here, provide the account details of yours, click on continue. Then you need to provide the password for your account. Click on login. Now once you're at this page, all you have to do to upload any files and folder in Dropbox is to click on upload over here. You can see the option of here drop files here to upload or click upload. You can either click here or you can click here as well. Click on that and then you need to choose the option whether you want to upload a file or a folder. Click on files. This will give you access to all the files that you have inside your PC. So from there, you just choose one. I'm going to choose this video and click on open. And the uploading process will begin. And just with that, the upload has completed. You can see the file being added on your screen right over there. As you can see, it's a very simple and easy process for how you can upload any file in Dropbox. So now I'll show you how you can share them. To do that, all you can do is you click open the file that you want to share. So once you open the file, you will have the share on the very top right. You will see the share icon right over there. You click that. Now once you do that, you will see this pop out from here. You can share this with the people that you want. For that, you need to add the email address over here on this text box. You can either add a email address or you can type in a name. This way you will be able to share this file. So from here I'm just going to type in a email address over here. And then you tap on share link. With this, the file will be shared to that particular email address. This is one way how you can share it. You can see the copy link option over here. You can copy this link and then you can paste this link to whomever you want to share it on a different platform. So this is a way how you can share it. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.